What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people doing? Well, looky here. I don't know why, but this thing died in such a short time. I don't know if you can see that date on it, but she's been a good one. But it's leaking out the bottom. So, therefore, I think rust has gotten it and it's cancerous. So, we are going to put a new one in it. A new one. Brand new. So, we'll get set up. We'll try this one out. Time-lapse style. See how it goes. Alright, YouTube. Well, you got to see some of the struggle. It continued after we left the room, got worse, yeah. But we had to go to the hardware store because you cannot get CPVC anymore, apparently. I don't know, maybe I was lied to. Either way, we have to go PEX. We got PEX. We got $154 for this piece of shit. Looks like it's been there since 1910, hanging on the shelf. But anyhow, we got it. Anybody wants to buy it, it'll be for sale about the time this video posted. Obviously, the fuses are not for this project, but we got PEX fittings, we got ball valve, we got all kinds of shit to get this new water heater installed. Yeah, so really about $1,000, about $1,000 to get this. Look at that. I don't even know if I'm going to clean that up, but if my wife sees this video, she's going to have my hide. But that's okay. So, all right, we'll set you up. We'll get to cutting some of this old shit out of here, and we'll put in the new stuff. All right, bye. Welcome back, boys. Look at this beauty, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Wish it wasn't an emergency. It was our guy actually got to choose to spend this money, but no, we got to have it. For some reason, ice cold baths and showers don't work around here. Anyways, this is the Jewel. We gotta put her in. I bet it don't last half as long as that other one. Just they don't make shit like they used to. So, and it's got one of these fancy things. Oh, those are neat. They work good. Well, here we go. We're gonna manhandle this monstrosity in there, and we'll bring you back once we get it in place. All right, you beautiful people. Look at her, huh? Me and Richmond and Dawson got in a big fight, and we won, okay? We wrestled this bastard in here. Stop. Do not return the water heater to the place of purchase. I don't plan on taking it out. I'm burning the house down next time. Okay, so we're going to hook this thing up. I already got my PEX joined to the 3/4 inch CPVC that was used back in 1987 on both the cold side and the hot side. Now I've got a few more one more fitting to put on each side. This side's going to get 2 more because I've got a ball valve that I'm going to put in place on the supply line so that I can shut it off. Should something happen to Richmond, you know, I might shoot him in the head. But anyway, trying to set you guys up where you can see what's going on is pointless, but I'll bring you an update you along the way. Well, welcome back, people. All right, here we got our PEX coming up. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'll stick you back there. Yeah, we are made it down below, made it up high. Got the vent installed, got the ball valve. Water is currently on. We're fixing to open this bastard up and see what it does. Well, it's taking water. No leaks yet. Looking good. We're gonna let it bleed the air out of it and fill up, and I'll bring you back here in just a jiff. Okay, welcome back, all you beautiful people. Well, I've got her full of water. All the air is out, no leaks yet. Everything looks good. Got the gas line on. I have to go outside yet and turn the gas on, but I will bring you back when we light this bad boy. We'll go through the lighting procedures and make sure everything's good. All right, you lovely people. Here we go. I got the gas on. It's going to take a little bit for the air to clear the lines, but we go to pilot here, right? We hold that in. Then we locate this igniter, and we just push this igniter button once a second or so until that status light starts blinking. What that's going to mean is that the pilot is lit and the thermocoupler is receiving a signal. When you put thermal generator, I believe maybe it's called, but when you apply heat to it, it generates a small amount of voltage, and that voltage will energize this gas valve and it will start to flash. Now, I'm not sure how long it's going to take us to get all the air out, but a little bit. The reason why you want to continue to depress this igniter button is because if you let gas build up in there, see it's blinking now. See it? If you continue, if you don't push it and the gas starts coming out and you just let it build up and then decide to push it, who knows what could happen. So, we've got a status light flashing. That means normal operation if it's blue. Okay, it's called a thermal pile. Normal means the flashing blue is good to go. So what we'll do here is release the pilot button and we'll watch to see that it continues to flash. And we're good. Now we rotate this. We're just going to go to hot. We should hear it ignite. There it was. I don't know if you guys heard it, but I did, and that's really all that matters. Guess who gets to have a hot shower today? The missus. And that's really the one that counts. I'm going to take one too, but she'll be happy. $1,000 later. All right. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. And we will see all you beautiful people on the next one.